Hello, Miss Green. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm good. Please come. Let's sit at the table and talk.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Mr. Hernandez.
Yes, Miss Green. May I know the purpose of your visit?
I feel that I should improve my communication skills. I need your help.
I will certainly help you. Tell me, what kind of help do you expect from me?
I would like to learn how to make polite requests.
Okay, don't worry. I will teach you. Miss Green. Let's learn now how to make polite requests.
Okay, sir.
There are many ways to request someone politely.
Is it so?
Yes. One of the most common ways is to begin the request with, "Will you please?" Or, "Would you please?"
Okay. How can we frame sentences with it?
That's very easy. Begin the sentence with, "Will you please?" For example, "Will you please help me?" "Will you please open the door?" "Will you please take the salt?" Etc.
Thank you, Mr. Hernandez. But can we use it everywhere?
Yes, you can. But whenever you want to make a more polite request, use "would you please."
Okay, but how can we ask polite requests with "would you please"?
It's same as "will you please." For example, "Would you please do me a favor?" "Would you please move a little?" "Would you please open the window?" Etc.
Thank you, Mr. Heeman. Are they the only ways to make polite requests?
No, dear Miss Green. There are other phrases also.
Please explain.
You can also use "would you mind?" But make sure to use in form of the verb after it.
How?
For example, "Would you mind opening the door?" "Would you mind holding my bag for a minute?" "Would you mind cleaning the kitchen?" Etc.
Wow. That's really awesome. Thank you very much, Mr. Hernandez. I will certainly practice them to make polite requests.
Good, Miss Green.
Okay, Mr. Heeman, would you mind teaching me some more tips for good communication next day?
That's excellent, Miss Green. You learned it so fast.
Thank you for your great help.
You are welcome. Today we learned how to make polite requests with "will you please?" "Would you please?" and "would you mind?"
Okay, Mr. Hernandez. I will certainly practice them. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Miss Green. Thanks for coming.